Hello there. I hope you are doing great. Are you excited to watch and understand the importance of our workload timesheet? Yes? Then stay with me. This timesheet handles workload and manage time in our AlianHub. So let's have a look with me. First of all, go to the timesheets and click on Workload Timesheets. This timesheet shows the estimated hours and log hours in detail. The benefit is that you can know the total hours of work done in the company in all the day by all the users. You can select the time frame in which you need to view the workload of the project by going through the calendar. For example, let's select the time frame from 1st August to 31st August and click on Apply. After that, you can filter by users, teams and project. So to do that, click on Filter. Now select your filter and let's go with the users first. Say for example, we add a filter to Brijesh. So here you can see the estimated hours of the work to be done by Brijesh in various projects. The estimated hours can be added as per given permission to the team leader or the admin. The team leader or admin can know if the Brijesh has task schedule on particular date or not. Furthermore, the workload timesheet shows the total log hours of user in comparison with the total estimated hours. Thus, you can figure out if the user has completed the task in the given time frame or has excluded it. Similarly, you can filter out by teams. Let's say Vue.js team. Here, you can see the total logs and estimated hours of the entire team. If you click on Brijesh, you can view the projects he is working on and the time taken. This is the way the company can get the benefit of knowing if the team is fully occupied with the work or has a vacant place to schedule the task. Now again, when you filter by projects, let's take a AlianHub ERP. Here you can see the users working on the particular project will be listed out. And from here, you can see the particular task of this project with the logged and estimated hours. From this, the company owner or admin can see the total hours of the users working on this project. And this will help you to calculate the cost of the entire project. And this is one of the major benefits of these timesheets. So this is how you can use the workload timesheet in your day-to-day lives. I hope this video will help you to manage your workload and time of your work. Thank you.